adorable. Welcome back to another amazing video, My Life in a Nutshell, where we transform both your lifestyle, skincare and food. And it's your girl Mimi Wali. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY videos of how to transform your skincare to a better and sweet level. Now I'm going to be using, first of all, aloe vera gel. This is 99% aloe vera gel. It's actually salting and moisturizing. It repairs your skin, like for sun repair. You know, now it's summer, you need to level up your skin game. These are things you can actually use in your home, and you can use them. You can get them from your home, go to a store and get them, you understand, and you can make them yourself, and it actually works very well. It's brightening your face, it protects your face, it gives you protect your face from every sun, you get, and also moisturizing. I said that earlier. It also clears your face. So if you know you have sunburn and all, yes, this aloe vera 99% aloe vera soothing gel. See, 99% aloe vera soothing gel. Can you see it? It actually helps for your skin. We're going to be using this, and we're going to be using our carrot oil. See, our carrot oil, this I've already made this already. If you know you want to get it and you're around, just DM me, let me know in my comment section, sorry, then I'll tell you how to get it. And we can also, if you also want me to show you how I prepare this particular carrot oil, let me know in my comment section, guys, please. Then we're going to also be using our vitamin C serum. This is my special from our product Blissful Glow. This is our vitamin C serum. I'm going to be using this too, just to make a very nice, easy face cream. If you know you can't get the carrot oil outside, just let me know in my comment section. I can show you guys how I made this simple carrot oil. It's very simple. If you can't get it, this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your simple face cream with your carrot oil and your vitamin C serum. You get that is vitamin C serum is made from orange, while the carrot oil is made from carrot. And this particular oil, I use carrot and lemon and almond. So you can see how, if you make the combination of this, you can see how it's going to lighten your face. It's going to repair your face. If you notice that your face is you're having different coloration, hyperpigmentation and all that discoloration, this particular face cream we're about to make now with this almighty aloe vera soothing gel is going to clear your face to something, oh my god, to a very youthful face cream. Now let's get to it. First of all, I have to wear my glove. Very important. Let me put my wristwatch. Put my wristwatch and wear the glove, guys. Wait, can you see the measurement? We're going to be using this. First of all, we're going to open this, our aloe vera soothing gel, and pour it inside. I have plans for this aloe vera gel, so I'm not going to be using so much. See? Then we add it together with this, the almighty carrot oil. I told you all the things I added with it. Just little. You just need little of it. Don't add much. Just add little of it. Then you stir it. Can you see it? This aloe vera gel, it actually helps very much. You can use it, like if you notice that your face, you're having redness, you understand, you're having redness, you can just buy it and use it to just moisture your face, prepare your face from sunburn. It clears your face. Then this carrot oil, now don't worry guys, I'm going to show you how I made this particular carrot oil, a simple carrot oil. I'll still tell you how I made this one. I am actually making for a customer because she's like 40s, so she needs a very simple face cream to make her skin look very young and still helps to repair her wrinkles and all. So this face cream, it's multi-purpose. It actually glows too, you get. So now see it, I have to still add, it's not giving me the color I want, but I have to be very careful with it. Now guys, I want to add this vitamin C serum. I'm going to show you guys how I made the vitamin C serum, but first of all, let's do this first. This is your first video. See, I added a little drop of it. You know what vitamin C is. Vitamin C makes your face look younger, glows your skin, and also helps to make your face look radiant at the same time. It helps for hyperpigmentation. If you're using any cream and you're not using vitamin C serum to balance your facial skin, I don't know what you're doing. So vitamin C is very nice. Can you see? I want to make for like a full cup, just a cup for that customer, because she trusts me so much. So I need to make her face look radiant and new. So I have to add more of this vitamin C serum. This is our whitening vitamin C serum. It glows your skin. It makes your skin look radiant. Like in less than 2 weeks, you'll be seeing your facial skin. If you notice you have eye circles and all, just go and get your vitamin C serum. So people, you can buy from Rashid and all that. Don't worry, I'm going to be giving you guys some skin care review products and all. This one now, if you just get it, dear me, comment. Oh sorry, this is YouTube. Let me know in my comment section, and let me know where you are watching this video from, so that I'm going to tell you how you can get your products. See how succulent it looks. Can you see? So now, based on, I'm not sure it's going to get to her. I'm not sure it's going to get to a cup. You can still now add more, because I want my customer skin to look so radiant. I have good plans for her face, so that she can use it and still give me a recommendation. Now you can see, I said earlier, I wanted it to be much. Like this now should reach after adding the aloe vera. So I want to add a little more of this, of the carrot oil. Don't worry, my description below, I'm going to tell you the properties of all this carrot oil, the vitamin C and all that. What are the usage of the carrots, and what are the usage of the sunflower too. Can you see? I added this carrot oil, 2 drops. I added this 2 drops, right? So is it 1 drop? Yeah. So this is very simple for me to make like this. But now let's now add little things that, let me keep this so, little things that will glow the skin. You see this white secret. This white secret oil is very nice. Only this aloe vera gel alone has calmed down anything at all, in case the white secret is going to give you any reactions or all. But this aloe vera gel now, 99, I'm still saying 99 sorting gel. This is very nice. It's going to reduce that blemishes, in case it's going to react to your skin or all. So you just have a little, like a drop, because she still wants to glow. I think I'll make it so, just a little. Is it all finished? It's finished. So the drop is okay, I guess. It's finished. It's remaining very small. See this whitening. This is White Secrets Unifying Complexion Serum. It's very good. I said earlier, based on this aloe vera aloe vera sorting gel, in case this white secret is going to give you any reaction on your face, this aloe vera gel is going to sort it down by calming this white secret. You understand? So now you have to use it, because we are going to add a little. We added like 2 drops of it, right? Then it contains its ingredient that helps to lighten your skin, remove blackheads, spots. It has vitamin E inside, so that also treats for hyperpigmentation and stains, in case you have like lines then. some people have lines on their face, some part of their face is fair, or some part of their face is dark. There's a little line that's going to be more darker, you understand? So this white secret now is going to unify that facial tone. So you remember I told you that she's a lady of 40s and she wants to look younger, she wants to make her face look radiant and all. That is one of the reasons why I have to put this, because this white secret, it has a uniform of unifying her face and make her face look younger. And so by the help of this aloe vera gel, in case of any reaction she's going to have, she ought to have in future, the aloe vera gel is going to solve. Okay guys, if you want to still add more of this carrot or the vitamin C serum of your orange serum, vitamin C serum, you can still add more. In case of all those people that have oily face and all, you can still add more of it inside. Then now, this is our clean face cream, our clean jar. We want to add the face cream inside. The reason why I didn't really add more is because she has an oily face, you understand, and the consistency I use is very, very good. It's actually going to help her face look very, very young and glowing at the same time. You understand? This is what you should, this is how you should just mix. Very simple and see, can you see how lovely it looks? Now let's add it into the cup together. So you can see, this is it. I added a little of this lemon juice, just a little of it, so that you know what lemon does. Lemon lightens your face. Lemon also helps to, it's also an exfoliating agent too. If you notice that your face is if you notice that your face is not reacting very well, what you do, you can add your lemon with Vaseline. That's another video too, and rub it on your face or your body. So if you're making a face cream and you notice your face cream is not really active but it ought to be active, you just add a little of the lemon juice, just a little of it inside your cream, and you see the magic is going to work. See, this is one of our big secrets that so many so many skincare consultants won't let you know. Some of these our normal skincare people on this YouTube channel, they won't let you know what are those little secrets. They will hide it from you. Those secrets that are little, but they work magical. You understand? They work magical. So this particular face cream now, it is good to go, and I can proudly sell it to her, and her face is going to look radiant. You understand? She just need her face to look radiant, younger, and still moisturize at the same time. This is very simple, and also I'm going to add it to my cup now and put it in the fridge for I can keep it in the fridge for 5 to 7 hours, or I can leave it till tomorrow. Then I give her a call on the phone and let her know that it's ready. But mind you, when it's ready tomorrow, I'll let you know. We're meant to add our vitamin E serum. We didn't add the vitamin E serum to this because I need it to calm down. I need to refrigerate it in 8 to 7 hours, or as I said earlier, or till tomorrow morning, because vitamin E serum, it is very, very important. This is another oil. It's like the vitamin E, I'm going to put the vitamin E oil, the capsule inside. Some comes in capsule, some comes in little serum, and all. Tomorrow I'm going to show you the one I use. So guys, it is very simple. This recipe is very good. It's good for anti-aging. You can use it. This is very good for anti-aging. You can use it and your face will look so good, so good. Don't worry guys, I'm going to give you guys a review. She's going to give to me in less than 2 weeks, so stay tuned. So let's pack it now in our jar. This face cream, it is so clean. It cleans your face, it moisturizes your face, it gives you 2 shades lighter based on the white secret oil I put inside, and the carrot oil, and the white, and the vitamin C serum, and I added a little of lemon juice. Then I said tomorrow, after it refrigerates for 2 hours, for 7 hours or 8 hours or 24 hours, and then I will now put the vitamin E oil, which is going to help to regulate your face too, and also help for hyperpigmentation and all. So you can see this face cream now, it is as simple, as easier as you can make it. Please guys, let me know in my comment section if you enjoy this video. I love you guys, and thank you so much for tuning in this video, my life in nutshell. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and on your notification bell, because there's a lot of videos and good news coming to your way on my life in nutshell. I love you guys. Bye. Again, do it again and again and again, and to get used to your face, because it's not chemical, it's not this is just natural gel. Another one, get another one, just be consistent in it. That's just what you need. Some people use face cream, and when it doesn't really work out what they want, they will dump it. No, just buy glow, radiance, and also clear dark stubborn spots. If you use it consistently, after using this cup, you could just get on. Some people, whenever they use a particular face cream, that they will dump it. No, and it doesn't work for them, they will dump it. No, that's not what you should do. Consistency in skincare is just the best. So you can see our face cream is good to go after adding our vitamin E capsule, our tea tree, and the vanilla to make our scent nice. But as I said earlier, if you don't have money for all this, you could just go with a simple vitamin E capsule and you're good to go. And your carrot face cream is just what you need, which helps for clear your stubborn dark spots. Continuous use, consistency, please don't forget that. Thank you guys, I love you.
I always get caught in the moment.